Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Everything Crypto here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Baby Floki. First off, you guys are going to want to go ahead and download the Trust app in the App Store or Play Store if you guys have an Android. And next off, we're going to go to you guys are going to want to open your guys' web browser. So I'm going to go ahead and go on this website. The first website we're going to want to go on is CoinGecko. Once you guys are on this website, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on the search bar and type in Baby Floki. As you can see, it's going to be on this top. I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. We're going to go ahead and scroll down. And this website basically tells you all the statistics of it, how it's been doing for the past 30 days, 14 days, 7 days. So if you guys are curious how the coin's been doing, you guys can also view this on CoinGecko. So next off, we're going to go ahead and click on the button where it says show info. And where it says info, there's going to be a little icon where it says contract. We're going to go ahead and click on that next to the little wolf. And it's going to go ahead and copy it to your guys' it's going to copy it. Next off, we're going to go to this other website called PancakeSwap. On this website, that's where it's going to go ahead and do the transaction, where it's going to convert whichever coin we're going to use. In this example, we're going to go ahead and use BNB, which is Binance coin on the blockchain, on the Binance blockchain. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and connect your guys' Trust wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and click Connect Wallet on the top right corner. And there's going to be three options. It's going to be Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. We want to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect. And then from here, go ahead and click on the Trust icon. It's going to go ahead and take you to your guys' wallet app. And then go ahead and click on Connect. Now we're going to go ahead and go back to our web browser. And as you guys can see on the top right corner, it shows a little wallet with a little arrow down. That means it's connected. On the bottom of the screen, you guys are going to go ahead and see four icons. It says trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on the trade icon. As you guys can see, it shows a BNB balance. It says I have 0.006. That means my wallet is connected. Where it says select a currency, we're going to go ahead and click on that button. And like where we copied earlier, we're going to go ahead and paste what we copied earlier, which is the address for Baby Floki. Go ahead and click on Baby Floki, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Max. But since I have very minimal, a small amount of BNB, we're going to go ahead and type it in manually. So we're going to go ahead and type 0.006, and it gives me the option to purchase. So right here, it's estimated to be about 383 million Baby Floki. So I want to say in order to tell how much BNB it's worth, you guys can go ahead and click on the USDT, and this is how I find out how much money that's worth. So let's say 0.006 BNB is estimated to be $3.35 in USD dollars. So let's go ahead and type in Baby Doge again, Baby Floki, and it's still going to be the 383 million. So once we do that, before you guys click on swap, you guys are going to want to go on this little icon on the top corner. Go ahead and click where it says slippage tolerance. I had already set mine earlier, but you guys it's going to be standard. Where it says slippage tolerance is going to appear as 0.1. You guys are going to want to make sure this is 12 in order for it to go through. So let's say once you guys have done that, you guys want to go ahead and click on the swap button, confirm swap, and it's going to go ahead and take you guys to your guys' wallet. So here it's going to tell you how much it's going to be worth. So since I don't have enough BNB, it's asking me to add more BNB, but I'm not going to. But normally where it says top up smart chain, it would say complete purchase. So you would go ahead and click that, and it would go through. Once it's done, it would take about anywhere from 5 to 10, 20 seconds for it to appear on your account. Actually, before it even appears on your guys' wallet, I own some already, so it's on here already. But then once you guys purchase and you guys don't see it, you guys are going to want to toggle on those little toggle icons on the top right corner. Click on that, and you guys are going to want to go ahead and search the Baby Floki. Since I have mine toggled on, it's this one right here. It already shows it, but let's say if it wasn't toggled on, it would look like this. You guys would not be able to see your guys' coin, so you guys would go on this top icon, go ahead and type in Baby Floki, and it would appear right here. So you guys go ahead and click that on, and then it would show it here. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. As you guys can see, that's how you guys can purchase Baby Floki. It's really cheap right now. I think it has a lot of potential in the future as long as it follows the trend with Floki Inu. And I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys do really good with the cryptos, because I'm learning how to invest in crypto. And as I'm learning, I like to teach people, so I'm hoping to make more videos in the future. And if you guys have any questions or concerns or anything or any other new videos that you guys would like to make, you guys can go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is Everything Crypto, and I hope you guys have a good one.